peach cobbler Sunday. No, I'm just kidding, it's not a Sunday. It's a smoothie. Welcome to my channel, you guys. My name's Raven, and usually I teach Pilates, but today I'm teaching you how to make my new favorite smoothie. Today we're making a peach cobbler smoothie, and we have to make it really fast because I am literally starving at this point. Let's make that thing. What you're gonna need for today's smoothie: frozen peaches. I like frozen, but if you wanna use fresh, go ahead, sister. Greek yogurt, oat milk, protein, vanilla or unflavored is probably best. Banana, rolled oats to give it that creaminess. Give yourself some fiber, some fullness. Vanilla, need a little bit of that. Honey, ice. Here we go. I should have brought some scissors. So we're not measuring anything today. You do what you gotta do. Ooh. We'll take a few of these out. Okay, banana. There's no riced cauliflower or veggies in this smoothie today, so it's definitely giving like tropical vibes. We're gonna go for a whole container of Greek low-fat yogurt. This has 110 calories and 14 grams of protein. Like, that's a lot. I'm gonna dump that bad boy in there. This smoothie, y'all, is gonna be so creamy and so filling. I'm telling ya, y'all. So we did our frozen peaches, banana. We're gonna go in for even more protein. So this protein powder has 20 grams of protein in it. So that brings us up to like 34 grams of protein right now. That's amazing. Okay, this is where you do not wanna go crazy. I should have brought a better measuring cup, but we want some oats in there. Let's say like 1/4 of a cup. Oats, these are gluten-free oats. They are kind of high calorie, but they really will fill you up and make your smoothie so creamy, I promise. We've got a little bit of vanilla. Let's do a 1/2 tablespoon. My protein powder is vanilla, but my Greek yogurt was just like non-flavored. So maybe if you use like a flavorful Greek yogurt, you might not need any vanilla. When I went to Trader Joe's to buy this, why did they card me? They were like, yeah, because of the alcohol content in the vanilla, we have to card you for it. I was like, oh, card me? Do I not look 21? Girl, you are 30 years old. Okay. Honey to your heart's desire. I really like this almond milk, you guys. I talked about it in my last video from Costco. I bought 2 of them, so like I've had it for a while now, but I really, really like it. Again, to your heart's desire. Let's get some ice. Again, no measuring cup. We're just going for it, baby. Alrighty, let's get this show on the road. Power on, smoothie. Here we go. Ooh, so creamy. Kind of looks like peaches and cream. Y'all, I'm obsessed. I also can taste the oats, which kind of like really makes it like peach cobblery. We love her. 10 out of 10. All right, that's it, you guys. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Tell me what else I should make. Like, you know, what are some of your easy meals that you want to see me attempt? Happy 30 and 30. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. There we go. Haha, got it.